पक जाएंगे। सब बोलिए।
Good evening, everyone. I would like to welcome you all on behalf of ESET. It's our second week, and we are having a event called Talk It and Chalk It. It is going to be presented by Prateek, Smita, and Siddharth. Also be a part of that. And basically, we are having a kind of a case study on limeroad.com. It will be an interactive case study, and we will get everything about how a startup is born from an idea, what problem they face, how they overcome those problems, and various other things in between. So it will be an adventure slide. I guess your classmates will make it more adventure for you, and during this, we have stars in this particular case studies, and starring first Siddharth as Prashant Malik, Prateek Gupta as Ankush Mehra, Smita Bhutia as Ruchi Mukherjee, and me as Manish Mandya as venture capitalist. So once upon a time, there was a girl named Suchi.
Hello guys, myself Suchi Mukherjee. I am the CEO and founder of LimeRoad India. So before going into the depth of LimeRoad, let me ask you a question. And the question is,
How do actually girls shop?
so any answers? How do girls like to shop? Faida, recreational activity. Anything and everything. You prefer online shopping or physical shopping? Physical shopping. Physical shopping. Yes.
अभी यार
For girls.
Physical shopping for recreational activities. As a recreation or you shop occasionally? Both. Okay. So now I tell what Suchi Mukherjee faced problems and how LimeRoad came into existence. See, what happened was, when you go to shop in Myntra or Flipkart, you face problem that you have to decide beforehand what you want to shop. If you want to shop a t-shirt, you will enter that product, the product list will be displayed, and then you will see what all products different vendors are offering, and then you will select the best product. This is how you do online shopping. And when you go on for a physical shopping, you go instantly. Like many of the people go instantly. They don't have a preconceived notion that I am going to buy this or I am going to buy that. They go, match various products. Like we match jeans with shirts, accessories, shoes, and then they shop. But in online, it was not possible. So Suchi Mukherjee, once she was sitting in a room in US, and she was just flipping the fashion magazine. There she liked the product. It was a jewelry. So she thought that I should buy that product. But then she realized that that product belongs to a small store in Mumbai. And she cannot get that product in the coming few months or years because she was not going to visit India. So here for conversation come. I like to ask a question that you all must be reading fashion magazines. You all read fashion magazines. This happened with you people also, like boys also. There are dresses for boys also. Have you faced problem that yeah, this dress is very nice but I cannot get it? Simply because I have to go local shopping and I cannot get the similar product. This happened with people. So this is how LimeRoad concept came into existence. That they wanted to give a platform, online product discovery platform in a very entertaining and easy manner. They said that in this LimeRoad, they created a look. When you go on the site, you can see that there is looks displayed. In that, they include not only the dress, they include the shoes, they include the bag, they include the accessories. Like you can get a complete look in a very small span of time. You don't have to do much additional charges, and even you don't have to take lots of pain.
enters Ankush Mehra.
Hi guys, I'm Ankush Mehra. I have 19 years of experience in supply chain management, including my stint at Reliance Hypermarts, where I integrated a lot of vendors for the Reliance. So, I am basically a supply chain head and co-founder at LimeRoad.com. And my work is to integrate vendors and to connect customers with the vendors. Okay. Now, do you know that India is 21% of total world lifestyle manufacturing is done in India. The lifestyle products which are created in world, 21% of them are created in India. But a lot of part of that are the small vendors that are in Jaipur, in Varanasi, or in Hyderabad. So they don't have a digital connect with audience. Right? They are quality vendors. Sometimes they are even better than the national or international banks, but they don't have connectivity, and that is a big problem. So when we started LimeRoad, we started just with 25 vendors. And connecting with those 25 vendors, it was a very big challenge for us. Because when we went to Jaipur or Varanasi, or even Hyderabad, the small places of Hyderabad, the smaller vendors, they have very thriving business there locally, but they don't have the literacy of digital tools. When we went to them with our digital solution, they were not very willing to come to us. So we actually had to train them in the tools that we provide. We had to train them in our platform so that they can use our service and then they can sell it nationally all over India. So after that, we started with 25 vendors, but we are now working with 450 vendors. So that's some growth. And you'll be happy to know, out of those 450 vendors, 50% of them are our exclusive partners. Exclusive partners means they only trade with us. They don't trade with Myntra, they don't trade with even Jabong. They trade with us. We are not completed to Myntra and Jabong yet, but they still prefer to trade with us. And why do they do so? Because our platform offers them more visibility and exposure than any other website. As Suchi explained, we have a magazine-like format and a look-based format where there are different looks and you can fit to the magazines. So, if you go to Myntra, suppose I am a small vendor, one of our vendors is Vanilla, I take example. Suppose I am a vendor and I have a red dress. In Jabong, my dress will be featured among thousands of red dress from different vendors, and many times many national brands and international brands will overshadow my dress. Suppose if you are to go to Myntra and suppose you are to buy for a red dress, there are very less chances that you will buy from Vanilla, that you have not heard about that dress. And you have a lot of similar products around that product. You have a page about 30 products and there is my dress among all those products. What's my exposure? The statistics is that they are converting only 2 to 3 dresses per site per week basis. But on our platform, they are converting about 3 to 4 times of that. They are selling about 10 pieces of that dress on our website. Okay, so that's about vendors. The second part of supply chain is connecting with the customers. So what we have done a very detailed study and we have tracked the time it takes to deliver a product from each vendor to each customer location. And 95% of the time we meet the delivery time that we have estimated on our product. So that is, supply chain is one of our strong factors, but that wouldn't have been possible if we didn't have a tech guru with us. So
finally, after a great idea and supply chain management, they are going to need a website and app also. And at that
Hello friends, I am Prashant Malik. I am an ex-IIT student from IIT Delhi. I am an ex-leader in technical excellence from Facebook. So basically, when I met Suchi and our friend Ankush, so they told me about my idea. And the first thing that struck my mind was that if our website wasn't so user-friendly, so interesting, so innovative, no one would connect with us. Why would people leave Myntra and everything and then connect with us? So the basic thing that I learned there was user-friendly and innovative idea that wasn't there with Myntra or Flipkart or any other websites. So here I use all my technical and my innovative ideas that I grabbed from Facebook and applied here. So social integration is the key that provide me the method to go for it. Here I made here I made LimeRoad. LimeRoad is more of a social platform. I integrated social platform with the e-commerce website. Here the styles, the products that you select here, you can share it with Facebook or Twitter, and you can ask your friends or other family members about their comments and their likes, so that you can purchase it. You can decide whether to purchase it or not. Then here you can directly connect with the vendors, directly connect with the shop. You can shop by shops or by city or by brands. Like you live in Varanasi, so you want the product typically from Varanasi, you want the product from the vendors of Varanasi. So you can segregate that. You can select the brand from the vendors from Varanasi, and you can shop from there. Like you have seen a shop in Varanasi, like in Sigla. You go there, you find that this product is, yes, I want this product. So you can search in a website that yes, I want the product from this shop, from this Varanasi. If that vendor is segregated with us, you can completely shop from there. Now coming to the part that it is more of a social networking side. The templates that you manage here, you can completely share that with Twitter and with Facebook, and you can get likes from there, and you can then find a product. You can then what do you call that? You can get the likes and comments for their product, and then you can ask your friends to whether you can buy it or not. Now we have an awesome team. A well-defined product, and a detailed, innovative idea. What do you think that we want more, that we need? Sorry? Investment. Yeah, that's right. Now we need funding.
So it's
Funding time. Now we need party hard. Now here enters Lightspeed Venture for Series A funding.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm from Lightspeed Ventures. So you guys have a great idea, a very sound team, and despite having Myntra and various other commerce websites, you're still able to venture in a very crowded space and with a well-researched idea. So from Lightspeed Ventures and Matrix Ventures, we are actually going to fund you $5 million. Okay, so basically the point is they are getting the funding and they are very emotional. So, very emotional. Now the party didn't last long, and
Now we have a problem that arises.
Like Prashant, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
We are saying that everything is perfect. We are giving our customer those things which no other site is providing. But then also, why we are not doing it at the rate which Myntra and Jabong are going?
Because the girls are like that. We have the visitors, girls visit a website, we have the views, but they are not buying, they are simply window shopping. So that's the problem
What is
that.
your say, Ankush, on this?
I think there's a problem that we need to solve. So guys, you know that we have a problem. We have sufficient page views on our website. The user engagement is also good, but the sales is not happening. The users are visiting our website, but they are not buying products. What do you think we should do in this case?
Please brainstorm and tell what is the next step we should follow.
Any ideas? What are
Like if you have a website, we have visitors, but they are not buying the product.
Yes, the cost.
Sorry?
The cost to the factor discount, trust.
Costs are competitive.
We have competitive costs. Even in some cases, the costs are less than the.
Yes, they have customized website, so probably people are not finding it that much user friendly like they are finding it Jabong and Myntra. They are not used to
No, but that's the case. See, we have more user engagement than other websites. So they are engaging in our website, they are liking the internet, but that's not converting into real sales. They are just browsing through the options, they are just looking through all the products, and they find it very interesting, like in a magazine. They are looking at the product, so this dress is very good, but they are not buying it from us.
Your platform is mainly for women. And maybe why they are not doing listing it more, so you should explain your business
Sir,
for
actually the inception was on niche marketing. Here we targeted the women
We segregated that only the women buyers will be there.
the women empowerment. So we cannot change that concept.
They are actually coming to the website. They are actually browsing every clothes and everything. But the point is they are not buying from it.
Like customer is coming to your shop, she is roaming around, she is looking at all the products, but she is not taking it from you. He's not buying it.
So what do you guys will do?
Any more
We
ideas?
have good footfall. I mean, that's a strong word.
Maybe we will approach for more customized product. If
Yeah,
That can be an option. Anyone else?
Anybody has any idea?
What was the refund and replacement policy of the company?
that's already.
This is going to after 10
We
days.
have taken products from local vendors, so
After
probably
10 days,
people
it's
are
not
not
just local
ready.
vendors. You don't have branded options, they are local vendors.
There are
Some
some
people don't buy.
might be having less options as compared to the market.
Actually, the option we provide is much larger than any other website because we have national, international, as well as the local brands, as well as the products which are not unbranded products. The brands from the Sarojini market in Delhi, the brands they are not even the brands. They are just products from local vendors of Jaipur and Varanasi.
Like this
So
will-
we have a very good range.
What is the very costing scheme that?
What?
Cost.
Costs are competitive with other websites. Even in some cases, it's lower than the websites like Mindset.
If you are not being able to communicate well with the customer, you need to change the outlet or appearance of your website.
Okay, but we have stated that user engagement is much better than Mindset. Users are engaging with us.
Coming to the website.
We are more user friendly, we are more engaged.
Yes, sir, this is right. We are not
You are
able
not
to
able-
engage people.
Okay, yeah.
So we got two, that is like customized products and more user engagement. So now, what actually brand image? Check. Brand image. Like if you're building the brand image in startups, there is not that.
What we need is we have to promote your website.
The problem is not that people are not aware about our product. The problem is people are aware about our product, but they are at the certain point, at a certain process, they are actually getting away from our website. They are actually watching our pages and they are not buying our product.
That's what I'm saying. That people are aware about Limeroad.com. They are visiting there, but still they are lacking confidence in buying products from you. This means your brand visibility is very less. Like they have heard once that Limeroad.com is there, but they have not heard this name numerous times. So I guess your brand
Right word is
empowerment.
brand recognition. Brand recognition is the right word.
Yeah, brand
Brand
empowerment.
recognition, I guess, is the right word.
This is human psychology that if certain brand come in front of your eyes as well as in your ears means numerous times, so the brand empowerment takes place. That person starts realizing that brand. So you need to promote more and more so that they can consider you as a brand and rely on buying
But
products
sir,
from you.
here I can contradict you that the vendors which were supplying to Zerong and Mantra were supplying to LimeRoad.
Yes,
The product was almost similar.
yes, our answer is we really consider that the customers that are online shoppers, and do they relate that yes, Jabong पे मैंने इस supplier से खरीदा, Limeroad के same supplier they don't consider that. They consider the brand power of Jabong. They see the different sellers are there, फिर उनमें जिसकी अच्छी rating होती है, उसको वो prefer करते हैं. They don't learn the names that which seller
But,
is there.
Prateek-
So if the same seller is on your website,
Prateek,
that seller's
but
brand
Jabong is
will
not
work.
selling
Your own brand will
with
work.
branded products. No.
Whether
They are selling the products of from local vendors, or they are selling the products of Levi's or something.
So we actually
Both, no? So Limeroad is different. They are not selling the branded products.
We are selling to
They are selling
international brands, awareness or publicity.
That is not a
sales promotion. In
Just
what
for
way?
brand recognition
Do
also.
they have same promotion techniques or not? Like the digital marketing or something like this? Like let's start explaining the first time fee or something like that.
Yeah,
Sir, you must have checked in your email that they send regular mails even if you are not registered to the LimeRoad. So these kind of policies they follow on LimeRoad. But people were coming to the app, people were discovering that LimeRoad is something. They were checking the products, they were on the site for 5 to 10 minutes. But then again, they were not converting themselves into the final buyers.
The user behavior that we found out was such that ones like to browse but not to shop. They are not much interested in shopping generally.
Yeah, same.
Trust
but the problem here is that in India people don't prefer online shopping for apparel. This is what the basic problem. Like Flipkart and other Myntra वगैरह पे भी ये problem, but they have got numerous other things also.
So you basically want to say that in like Myntra, Flipkart and Jabong, their profit comes from other products also.
I'm not saying this. I'm saying that they are all means they have got numerous options. Like their revenue generation is not just from apparel.
Just for
They have got
other products
हाँ,
also.
और आपका similarly it is only in apparel. तो अगर human like Indians की mentality है कि apparel shopping online नहीं करेंगे, तो problem ये आएगा कि जो online shopping के लिए ready भी हैं और वो Flipkart पे चले गए, तो अब आपके पास जो remaining potential customer है आपके पास बहुत कम है, तो उनकी call convert करना थोड़ा difficult है.
But I guess Myntra is only focused on lifestyle of apparel only. Myntra is not all other products.
Myntra has become a brand. Like, it is growing up. Limeroad is growing up, but Myntra is already established. Your brand will be one
Have
very
any slide on the website how it works?
Sorry?
You don't have any slide of the website.
We
So
will
then we
tell
should
you.
Okay, so we have identified
This is a different activity. So this is a general. When we get that they take time to shop. This might be a general problem.
this is one of the major reasons that we have also identified, and the solution that we provided was scrapbook.
Now, this is what FMS student told all the major reasons, and what solution Limeroad actually took was scrapbook. What scrapbook is? It is a way we can say Limeroad helped to build social networking through scrapbook. Earlier, the looks which Limeroad used to portray on its official website were created by the fashion bloggers or celebrities. They were not normal users like me and you were not allowed to create the look. But now through scrapbook, Limeroad gave chance to normal users to create their own scrapbook, and they can even post those scrapbooks to the Facebook, Twitter or any other social networking site, and they can get likes. If they get good likes, then their scrapbooks can even be displayed on the official website of Limeroad. So this was a success mantra for a normal people. In that, two things happened. What I felt, we as a team even noticed this thing, that even if I am not buying, even if you are not buying the product and you are involved in scrapping, in scrapbooking, excuse me, this is what scrapbook. This is what Limeroad looks. Here, these scrapbooks.
This is the scrapbook option. You can select this.
This is how Limeroad looks, and this is the scrapbook.
These are the templates that you can, scrapbooks that you can generate. So they go for create scrapbook. This is the create scrapbook option. Here, like this, created a scrapbook. You can select different templates. You can select different kurtas from here. Select the kurta. You can replace this kurta. Then you can replace the pumps. Replace the pumps. I guess there is some error with the internet. So basically the idea is that, like, this is a template. Here you can select the kurta, the pumps and the necklace. You can create different combinations, and the best that suits you, you can create that and you can post that on in the account, in your Limeroad account. Then the number of likes that increases, you get the money for that. Like if you created a scrapbook, you created a template, and a person buys that, likes that, then you get some amount of the complete total amount of that in your account. Then you can redeem that. Like every month, people can earn from 10 to 20,000 money from there. Basically, like I created this website, so I've customized it to create more and more scrapbooks. I've implemented this scrapbook at the front page, at the home page, so that this increases the more interest of the women. Like if you visit the website, you clearly see that, oh, there is a template or there is a combination of this dress. I can create this dress of my own. You can create that dress, you can earn money from that as well.
It might take much time of consumers, and people are not so free that they will come to the website and then keep on making find out that which one will be
And the
more
thing
valuable.
is, actually, it is successful, and the thing is, people basically have time to actually create this scrapbook. So
It is not
they are
essential for you to
actually
create a scrapbook like you have.
This idea is successful.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
you
idea-
have millions and millions of scrapbook. Like it is more like a feed. Like you have a Facebook feed. Every 30 seconds it refreshes. Like here is the same policy. Like every 30 seconds it refreshes, and you can have infinite scrolls from there. Like if you visit this website for 5 minutes, in 5 minutes you can see hundreds of templates, and you can select a combination from that. You can simply like that if you don't want to wish to buy that.
Instead of going for single item, you will get a whole
Complete
package,
combination.
Complete combination. You just have to swipe back and forth, and you can see all the items.
And for like you will give credit to the
Credit to
consumer.
the vendor.
You have to
You got something first?
Maybe the people are just planning their own attack by using this thing. And they were saying that they're not going to buy it. They're just planning their own attack.
Sir, this happened.
No,
This
this is
happened.
happening.
This is happening, but
And
what
basically
actually?
the idea of women is that if they wish to buy a kurta, they need a matching legging or whatever we call that salwar. They need matching shoes, they need matching earrings. So basically the idea is that you create that combination for the girls.
So by this thing you have created an employment for some girls or people, but I don't think
See,
Yes.
the problem, see, we had a problem that we had a number of users, but there was no sales. Okay. Now, we are not saying we have solved that problem of converting sales, but we have used that problem as an opportunity that we have a number of users and we can engage those users in certain activities. Now, when you are a startup, you don't, you have to think, a lot of times you have to think about funding and how you get funding. Alright? Now, page views, user engagement, these are a lot of very important factors in getting funding. Alright? So, if I have 10 million, say 10 million users today, if I can get about 25 million users on my website per day, and if I can get 10,000 regular customers on my website, now that creates a huge impact in the mind of investor that the website is good. Alright?
do you have any ads on this website?
No.
No ads.
No, we are an e-commerce website. We sell product. We don't have ads on this website. The basic idea.
And the source
Yeah, we have
of
ads. Advertisements.
and the source of income of this thing of the livewood.com is
The product that we sell, we get commission on the product like every other website, like Flipkart and everything. The seller sells the product and certain percent of that value comes to us.
Yes, for the marketplace.
It's a marketplace. So, as I have said, therefore,
basically they have created a website. Revenue model is just basically a commission to commission. Whenever you
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
we have problem is people are buying a product, but the amount of people engaging our website and the amount who are converting, who are actually buying the product is very large. The difference is very large. We want to decrease that. So by engaging our customers, we are actually making them make their tag, and in this way also they find that okay we have created select, and in that particular way they actually buying that product from us, and people are actually checking out other scrapbook also, and because that okay we have got everything from shoes to tops to everything, so and from that they don't have to go for single thing, and people are buying. If I can ask here also how many girls are actually using this Limeroad. I know 4 5 I guess 2 guys are. So in this small sample size 4 5 girls are actually using it. So I guess it's a successful
Actually, it is being used as a marketing
Have
strategy.
they bought anything from
Yeah,
the
what
site?
is
It's the same question. Have you bought some
Have you?
anything? Why? What's the reason?
I never buy online.
You never bought anything.
I never buy anything. You created any scrapbook, any scrapbook that you created. You created. You posted on your social networking site. No, you created and you left it.
Actually, are there any marketing techniques of the company with Fashion.com and Design.com?
Like is a site fashion for you or
See, the basic idea of scrapbooking is to engage our users and to get users to be loyal to our website. Alright? Maybe they are not buying from us, but they are really engaging on our website. See, you create a look, and that looks gets trending on the scrapbook community. You are like a shopaholic. Okay? You like to shop and you like to be called as a fashionista in your group. Alright? You create a group and you see that 500 people have liked that group, liked your group, and maybe some people have also bought it. And you also earn a certain percentage when somebody buys that look. Okay. The second thing, when you share that look on your social media, your friends which have not heard of LimeRoad now are aware of it, because you have shared that look, that I have created this look on LimeRoad. They comment on it. So the user engagement is very much. At this stage of our life cycle and startup, when we are trying to grow, when we are trying to get venture funding, we are concerned about our sales, but we are equally concerned about engaging users, because like Facebook does not have a very successful sales model when it had not started advertisement, but the user engagement was very much there. So what venture capitalist looks at, how much user do you have? You can sell to them, but how many users are continuously engaging with you? With Scrapbook, a lot of users are continuously engaging with us. The users that came to our website are now addicted to our website because of Scrapbook.
Because it is being used as a marketing strategy
You are
also.
converting them to
This is basically regarding the, it's just luring the customers, like the creating combination. The more people visit, go and check regularly how much like does the combination get. That's the basic thing. It's just to lure the customer and get more and more hits.
And what we have found is that ladies have really taken it as a hobby, like sketching or doodling. They are doing scrapbooking on our website. They are regularly engaging with us.
They are posting it on social networking sites, and even if that particular lady is not buying the product, other people are saying that this scrapbook has been created on LimeRoad. So it has been taken as a marketing strategy also, where people are coming to know that LimeRoad is something.
And at the same time, if a person just wants to buy a kurta, then he goes for the matching jewelry and matching shoes as well. At the same time, one has a
They don't have
requirement
to
of one
give
product,
time. They have a combination of
and
four kurta.
you
They have a
just
combination of
you're buying more
seven
than one product.
So also coming to our vendors, what they have gained out of Scrapbook. So as I talked about Panela, one of our very good partners, they used to sell on Jabong 2 or 3 per week, as what I have told earlier. But in this one particular incident, one red dress of Panela became very popular in the scrapbooking community, and it became a part of 80 to 90 top looks. I mean, she created a scrapbook and she used that dress. She also liked the dress, but she thought that she could create another look with that dress. So on, it became a part of 80 to 90 looks, and it sold on our website 10 dresses on that week. It was so successful, I mean, for a small brand, it was so successful that they blocked their inventory that they were providing to Jabong, and they directed it to us. Now, this kind of vendor engagement and vendor loyalty is very important for us, because we are a growing website and we want more vendors to come to us. Now this allows us to target more vendors, because it gives a really great example. I go to some other vendor and tell them this example, they come to us. It allows us to get more exclusive partnerships, because that is very important, because we are a small website. We want to have products that big players don't have, because otherwise we don't have exclusivity. Now this kind of behavior allows us to give us to work. Yep.
Offers.
Yeah.
Now we have festival offers like
Like every other website, we have
festival offers like in
On daily basis or
not on daily basis, but yeah, it comes and goes. Like we see the trends and we see the festive seasons. We see when offers can work and cannot work. According to that, like every other website.
And these have increased the number of users. Like every month, 200% users increase every month.
Yeah.
So this is
That's a
very
huge growth.
And one more important part of LimeRoad is that 50% of our vendors are manufacturing products exclusive for us only. So that is something which we can differentiate among Jabong and Mantra. Our products will be different, and this loyalty will remain with us.
So due to the scrapbooking, a very good thing happened for us, and that was
Target Global. And then again they gone for Siri Series B funding, and then we Tiger Global investors, we had interest in them on them, and we find that the scrapbook thing which they came up with is a very new thing in the Indian market, Indian e-commerce market, and they are creating a space. As I said previously, they are creating a space in this crowded commerce space. So, and because of that, as apart from Tiger, Lightspeed and Matrix also, we together are providing $15 million to LimeRoad.
Now, Series B funding that we got was the highest Series B funding offered to any e-commerce platform since 2011. So that's a very big thing for us. So after the Series B funding, we showed continuous growth, and also we introduced one concept of Style Council. Style Council, what basically Style Council is, we have style experts and fashionistas with us. For example, we have Neha Bhutia with us, and we have Miss Malini. If you have heard of Miss Malini, she is a very famous blogger. And one more fashion blogger we have. They share style tips to the scrapbooking community. This whole arrangement basically is to engage our users, to engage the scrapbooking community that we have. So they share style tips to the community. They also share their own looks on the community. So the user engagement is much more now due to Style Councils. And due to continuous growth and Style Council, immediately after a few months, we will increase the
Third funding came.
Third party, now they have a huge base, huge customer base, their website started up, their revenue started coming up. So we just want them to grow at a much faster rate, because in e-commerce, unless and until you have good amount of investment with you, you will not grow. So because of that, Tiger Global, Lightspeed and Matrix we together are providing them with $30 million. Okay.
Here I want to mention a point that LimeRoad last year revenue was 1.2 crore, and on the contrary, Jabong and Myntra last year revenue was 525 or 515 crore. In spite of that, we were able to fetch round C funding, just because our growth rate was very high. They saw potential in us. They saw that we are growing and we will grow at a very fast speed, because in the coming after the introduction of scrapbook, initially the growth rate was 25 to 30%, which reached to 200%, and now it is again becoming stagnant at 40-45% per month. So that is a very big thing which led us to get round C funding. Apart from that, what culture we follow in LimeRoad is that firstly we were based on Bangalore, then we started our work in Delhi also. Bangalore and Delhi we were working simultaneously, then we shifted to Delhi, and now what basically differentiates us from the other startup is that here we have very flexible learning culture in which people can work from home also and people can work from office also. This we have created because through this we are able to give our employees their own personal life also. Not only work, they can even stay at home and work for us. Apart from that, every Friday we call people and ask them to tell what all things we have done whole week, and then we distribute them free pizzas and free burgers. This is a concept which says that we engage in work hard and party harder. This is a concept which we try to inculcate in LimeRoad. Apart from that, we also give opportunity, like if a new assignment is there and I am working as a creative head, then I can change my task. I can work in backend also, I can work with Pratik, I can work with Ankush also, I can work with Prashant also. It is not necessary that if I possess that skill, like if I possess creative skills, I can work only in creative department. I can work there also. This is a chance which we give to individuals to develop to their full potential. So this is the work environment which we follow in LimeRoad.
So basically, we have a very good market. We have set up a platform. We have set up a product. So what's next? We can do to expand the market, expand the business.
You guys heard that we started from at what point, then we came up with scrapbooking, then we came up with Series C, we got Series C funding also. Now, what do you think the future path we should take to expand our business or to grow at a much rapid rate than other e-commerce. What can you guys do?
We should put it for men also. Because right now it is a BFC, but soon there will be other players that will be copying your idea also. And so then it will be a red. So you have to activate a business for men and make a better brand visibility in the market.
When you're talking about we should go for men as well, like how do you shop? Like, do you see a combination like I'm wearing this shirt, I need a matching jeans, I need a matching shoes? Normally guys doesn't shop like that. So this idea is basically for women only.
You do not go for scrapbook. You do not go for scrapbook, but you should have men's wear and men's items in your.
That would be completely same with like Mantra.
No, I think that the idea is pretty sound because the user behavior that we
Copy your idea. So there will be no restrict your order to completely
More restrict the consumer, which is just targeting only women's section. Go for the men, go for the baby.
And then men shop easily, they do not only create scrapbook and all this.
actually our idea is based on that how women shop, but your idea is very good because the one statistic that we have found is most of the women make the shopping decision for men also, for their husbands, for their their brothers, for the family in general. So we have a huge customer base of ladies, so we can give them option to shop for the men also. That's a good idea.
And in case scrapbook also, there is one
Sumit, बताओ,
USP in
idea.
scrapbook that, like you said, that people can copy your idea. So since the customer base who are doing actually the scrapbooking thing is so used that copying that particular idea is very difficult. So basically, one actually good thing about scrapbooking is there is another company or another firm who want to copy your idea cannot copy it.
And they can come with fashion book or something.
They can come with fashion products, but the amount of machinery they get to cater 1,000 people, but
Relax, the market is always relaxed, right in the market, but they can hurt your business. For sure. They might.
You cannot get into the threat. There's a very big threat. You are facing the market, you cannot ignore it.
Maybe
Yeah, I'm not ignoring it. We are actually keeping all the problem threats. Right? We are trying to cater those problems. Suppose if somebody come up with an same idea, how we can try to solve that also? We are catering their problem.
Maybe the new entrants will not survive in the business, but they will gonna hurt your business for some time. So you have to keep that in mind.
And now this is our idea, so it's not Langro's idea. So what we think is we are suggesting, it's not their idea.
Regarding the employees that you are being allowed to work from anywhere you want, either from home or your office. Do you think it will hamper the quality?
ये देखो पर
from there? Do you think that it will hamper the quality of the work? I mean, the skills are not that much which you expected, the profits are not that much which you expected. You still want your skills to be in the competition, still you are giving your request so much data that you can work from anywhere you want to. I mean, you want all the employees to come to one place and discuss the root cause of the problem which the company is facing, and there should be a particular solution to it, and a time and motivation to those employees and particular dedication for that particular work for particular number of hours should be given. Irrespective, you can sit anywhere and work in a very careless behavior, that won't be working anymore. I mean, this was the thing which company follows. I'm asking.
Not giving complete flexibility to the employees. One day I called them at 4 a.m. and they all came and we did days calling session for the company. So it is not like that if the company is demanding the employee to present in the office, then they are saying that they can even choose to be at home or at the workplace.
Actually, possible main problem is startup is the money. You can't give that particular amount of remuneration which actually your big firm is not taking. You have to retain those employees. So by keeping the work environment kind of friendly one, where you are allowed to work from your desk, or if you want to sit in the park, or you want to sit in the front of television, wherever you want, you have to meet the deadline. You have to able to complete your work in the deadline. That is the first goal. But we are giving you the option that okay, you can go here and you can work from there. Because it basically being the friendly thing, friendly working.
I would like to add one thing. mean basically our employees are from IITs and IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, they come to us because we provide a good working environment. As Suchi had said on Friday, we have party and we get free beers and free pizza very well unlimited. Now, that's part of our work culture. And for example, when you are saying that if we work from home, they will be that's not the case because the studies that have found that if employees are happy, if they are comfortable, they will work more productively. You ask any work experience guy here, all of the good companies, all of the product-based companies, Accenture, even Infosys, which was considered a very strict company, and you will have to wear a tie and all that. They are changing their ways of working. They are giving the option of work from home to everyone because it's very important to keep your employees satisfied, to keep them in comfort.
But they are at a saturated point. That's why they are giving this. You are at the beginning. You can't give that amount of measure to 10.
Employee, he joins a big firm or a small firm. It doesn't matter to him if the company is 500 years old or not. He gets bored in 2 years. Alright? They are working with us for 2 years. Initially, 2 years they will work very well. Then the fatigue will come. They will start getting suppose if we keep them in the company and they have some things in their mind, they have their own problems. Do you think providing a strict corporate culture or providing a space in office will help us tackle that problem? They will sit there for 8 hours, they will sit there for 10 hours, they will lock their time, but will they do anything productive? If even from home they are working 5 hours productively instead of 8 hours, that's better, we get better results.
You think that they are working productively. You have used still a zero.
You said the employers are from IITs or IIMs, I guess. IIM Ahmedabad, you mentioned. They would be having myriad number of job offers. So if you allow them to work from the home, you'll be giving them pizzas, you'll be giving them I said, you said the employers are from IITs and IIMs, mainly from IIM Ahmedabad, you put it in sentence. So I would say that if a person is from IIM Ahmedabad, you'll be having myriad number of job offers. Second of all, if you give him certain leisure, you can work from home, and on Fridays we'll give you parties to happily work for you. But then, are the marks, the path marks which you have made, are they being achieved in that stipulated time? If yes, then it is a good activity. If no, then you all need to work together.
Then you should change
I
it.
mean,
That's
you
what I'm
should
saying.
not go for the top notches from the IIMs. Even a simple boy from FMS can also help them to do that work. It is not that a guy from IIM Ahmedabad would help their sales to notch up to a certain limit, and a guy from FMS BHU could not. So this cannot be a problem.
I think the answer is yes, we are achieving those.
Okay,
That's the way of questioning. Basically, it depends on the prioritization. If physical presence is not required, if physical presence is required, then only we are providing the work from home. If physical presence is not required, only then we are providing the work from home. But if physical presence is required, then we can even call them at 4 a.m.
no, my basic question was, are the targets being achieved?
Yeah, they are. So that's what it's
Then it's okay.
Well, if you are talking about LimeRoad, it's a very new company. You are saying that providing work from home is not feasible for them, right? You are aware of IBM, right? I hope everybody in the class is aware of IBM. IBM allows you free work from home. They hire you and they say, do you want to work from office or do you want to work from home? Why? They are saving a lot of things at the same time. They are saving infrastructure. If they have 1,000 employees, for example, in an office, they are allowing at least 900 people to work from home. They are, in spite of having 1,000 employees, they are having an infrastructure of just 100 employees. They are saving a lot of resources by that. And at the same time, they are very much productive because people are working at their leisure time. If they are
Was it
a
the same
9
when
person,
this company was incepted?
if they are a 9 person, they work at night. And if they
Was
are a
it the
morning,
same when this company was incepted?
No, because that time this culture was not prevalent. If the company was incepted at the current times, it's very much possible that it could have been so.
There should be a growth for it. There should be a maturity state, and then
Yes,
after
that's the main thing. That's the main thing.
I have an experience of 20 to 25 years in the industry. He has an experience of 20 to 25 years in the industry. So we are not many of the startups are done by the college graduates or the master's people. But this startup is not from the college graduate. This startup is from someone who is already experienced in the industry.
Okay, do you know the reason why the parents are strict when you are in the growth years? Do you know the reason why they are strict? Why your teachers are strict at the very
I think we
beginning?
can say that the studies have found that this is the better way. We can have this discussion later on some later period of time in organizational structure.
So now I ask you that somebody else has another idea that what's next they are going to do. No, nobody now. So they are now like we are now planning to go global. In the women segment only, where we will cater to needs of foreign people.
They can conduct fashion shows. They can go for fashion shows from the best trending dresses from the scrapbooks. They can have
That's a good promotional strategy.
What?
Fashion shows.
they can go for fashion shows for the trending dresses in the scrapbook.
Yes, they can. They can.
Okay, so these are the leaders of line, the roles that were played by us.
This is Ankush Mehra, also known as Pratik, Suchi Mukherjee, Asmita, and Vishal Malik Kashmir.
They are more into products from the live road.
And this is it.
Pratik, are they wearing dresses from the live road? Because
No, everything again.
So basically, our own Suchi Mukherjee, or Smita, also known as the BHU girl. This is her qualification, BCom from BHU, MCom from BHU, MBA from BHU, and probably she will be doing a PhD from BHU. And in the end, they have three final as the BCM.
faculty of FPSBH.
She is the complete product of BHU. She is the FPSBH co-act.
I have an idea on a start. Like I want to do a startup. My idea is concentrated on modeling. I want to ask you guys, how many of you during your school days wanted to become a model or an actor? Like please, random or an actor. Costume. Nobody else. Nobody. Even I wanted to do something in acting.
I think
धीरे-धीरे हाथ आ रहा है, please fast, fast, धीरे-धीरे हाथ आ रहा है.
No girls are there. I'm not even
You don't wanted to act in any TV serials or any films or nothing, never. We never thought of acting.
okay, you really want to or you don't want to tell us? You really want to be a model or you don't want to tell us?
Okay, no, that's not it. And you wanted other theatre, that is another thing. So we come and know. Okay. So why you did not went for that?
Why did you go for modeling?
Why you did not opt for modeling or acting? What was the reason?
Probability of success is very less.
That was the reason. Sir, what is your
I didn't have exposure.
exposure? Parents did not allow. Anurag,
Lack of stability.
lack of stability.
In terms of financial.
So my idea basically is that suppose if we want to do modeling after our school days, there is a problem that we don't get the right information what we have to do, and plus apart from that we even don't have access to those basic facilities which help us to make a model or an actor. So my idea revolves around it. We can have a brainstorming sessions in the coming weeks on this idea where I will be disclosing my idea over to you. If anybody interested, please inform me. If anybody wants to come in our team, ESEL team, then please again you have a full opportunity to enter in the team.
And okay, so this is it. I would like to thank Pratik, Siddharth, and Suchi. And they
अरे अरे
and
थैंक यू एक घंटे से पकड़
a lot of time. They use thanks to
Very patient audience.
Very spent a lot of time on coming up with this particular presentation, and I would also like to thank you guys also that you guys have made this event interactive. And please come. You can also come up with other ideas also for research. And we are just kind of small entrepreneurs in this big crowd of procrastination, and we are trying our level best to do something different. And we guys actually need your help also in being as an audience or being as a participant or being as a teammate. So as we all have our ideas, like Pratik has ideas, Siddharth has ideas, Anubhav has got one idea, and other people also got ideas. So you can be a part of those ideas, work upon them. It will be a great great addition on your CV or a great addition to your learning also. So thank you for that. And
one more thing, if you think we were like, this was our first presentation, we have made many blunders. So if you can advise us on how to improve ourselves, that will be most welcome. Either here or when you meet us separately, you can tell them.